Hi there. Today we're going to make a nice one-pot meal using the Ninja Possible Cooker. We're going to make it possible to cook a chicken. I have a small chicken here. It's about 4 pounds, a little over 4 pounds. So it's pretty small. It'll be nice for 2 of us for dinner. And I'm going to use a few ingredients here to make everything happen in this one pot. A little lemon juice, some herbs. I'll show you as I put them in. I have a bag of mixed vegetables, family size, an onion, 1.5 pounds of small potatoes. These are the yellow potatoes. They're pretty nice. Some salt and pepper. That's about it. So let's get started, and I'll show you how to make this one-pot meal. And we're going to use one of the new functions that I'm not used to on a slow cooker, and it's called steam. And that's one of the features on this nice Ninja Possible Cooker. So we'll test that out today and see what the results are. Come on up. Okay, first I washed the potatoes. I'm going to put the 1.5 pound bag of potatoes into the pot. Next, I'm going to take the mixed vegetables. Carrots, peas, green beans, corn, that kind of mix. And we'll spread that out. Looks like this. Alright. Then we're going to open the chicken and place that on top of the vegetables. Now this is a Weiss brand chicken, locally raised, cage-free. It's a nice way to raise a chicken, no antibiotics. And it's small, but I think it'll be great for our dinner tonight. I bought this at Weiss. I used my senior discount card on a Tuesday and got 10% off. Nice, huh? Okay. I'm going to handle this in the sink, and then we're going to pat it dry. Alright, I'm going to trim off some of the extra fat and skin. The tail we don't need. I took out the giblets. I'm going to peel this onion and put the onion in the cavity. You can use a nice cooking onion. I have a Vidalia here because that's what I have a bag of. Just going to stuff it in the cavity for extra flavor. I'm going to lay the chicken breast side up into this pile of vegetables and potatoes. Next, I'm going to slice this lemon and put lemon all through this pot. It's a great way to tenderize and flavor your chicken. And then I'm going to put 1 piece of the lemon in there with that onion for flavor. Next, I'm going to drizzle a little olive oil over top of the chicken. On the legs too. And then we're going to start the seasoning. We'll take some thyme. You can use fresh or dried because it will give you flavor either way, whatever you prefer. Then I'm going to put a little parsley, mainly for the potatoes. Get some down into those veggies. And smoked paprika. Can never go wrong making chicken with paprika. Not only does it taste good, but it makes the color beautiful. A little salt and pepper. And I have about a half a cup of water that I'm going to pour in here too. Some of the juices from the chicken will start to cook the vegetables, but to give it a quick start. Okay, so we have the slow cook, high and low. We have sear and saute if you need vegetables or meat seared. You have bake, and there's braise. But down here is keep warm and the special one called steam. We're going to use the steam function, and we're just going to trap it in there with this nice lid. We're going to set this to start for an hour, and then we'll be back and check the temperature and see how everything's doing. I never used the steam function yet on this new cooker. It's new to us here, so we'll give it a try and then we'll learn from it together. All right, let me go plug it in. Okay, let's set this pot, turn it on. It says high. Then we're going to go down to the steam function, and then we want to change it to 1 hour of cooking time. All right, now we'll press start. That's pretty easy. What I expect is that it's going to preheat for the first 15 minutes, and then we'll start cooking. We'll be back to check it in an hour and see how it's doing. I just wanted to show you, since it's an experiment today with the steam, as soon as it preheated, 10 to 15 minutes, it started counting down with the hour that I did set. So it didn't shorten the time any by preheating. It waited until the pot was hot, and now we're counting down 60 minutes. Okay, the timer went off after the hour of cooking, and I'm going to check the temperature. I don't believe it was enough time to cook a whole chicken. Let's see how we're doing. Okay. It's 133 degrees. So let's reset the time for another half hour. And we'll be back in a half hour, hopefully in time for dinner. All right, let's check it out here. Let's see the temperature now. Okay, 180s. That's perfect. It did shrink quite a bit, didn't it? But I will tell you a little story about this. I had to set it for another half hour. That means total cooking time was 2 hours for a 4-pound chicken until the meat was at the right temperature. I'm just going to put it in a serving dish here. We can take it to the table in. And I'm going to scoop out the kind of vegetables and potatoes that we put in. And look at the nice broth that it made. A little bit lemony and seasoned nicely. And inside the chicken, we still have the nice onion, leaving some nice flavors in there. Here we have the whole chicken, vegetables and potatoes cooked in the steam function of the Ninja Possible Cooker. Thanks for watching.